Our online tutoring is different from other online instruction. Ours is done with live communication between tutor and student in real time, just like it is done with in-person tutoring. Tutor and student can see and hear each other in real time, just like it is done with in-person tutoring. An interactive whiteboard is used on which both tutor and student can write or draw on or erase, just like it is done with in-person tutoring. The only difference between our online tutoring and in-person tutoring is the convenience of not having to drive somewhere to meet with a tutor. Expert instructional tutoring can be done from the convenience of your home. So what does our online instructional tutoring look like? Following is a clip of one of our high school and college math and physics tutors helping a student in precalculus learn how to handle some math problems using trigonometry.
All right, so we did work on some of these, and we saw like we have reciprocals, we use SOHCAHTOA, right? And then we remember how inverses work?
Inverses?
So like tangent inverse, what that means?
Yeah.
Right, so that means where does tangent give you rad 3 over 3?
Let me
But remember,
get it.
this tangent means sine cosine, right? Sine over cosine. So where is sine over cosine equal to square root of 3 over 3? Of course, this is like the rationalized version. We can see that from like this. This would actually be 1 over square root 3.
Because that's what it was originally. But then we have to rationalize it.
Right, and then it's rationalized to square root of 3 over 3. So we can do two things. We can try to figure out where is sine equal to 1, where is cosine equal to square root of 3. Or we can just draw this thing with a height of 1, a base of square root 3. Is square root 3 bigger than or smaller than 1?
Square root of 3 is bigger than 1.
Okay, so I'll draw it bigger, and I'll say this is square root 3. This is 1. They're both positive, first of all, so I'm drawing it in the first quadrant. And then I'm going to just draw it like this. Which triangle is this?
That is a right triangle.
It's a right triangle, but what is the angle there?
A 90-degree angle? Oh, you meant this one. That's a 30-degree angle.
This is a 30-degree angle, right?
And the other one is 60.
And the other one is 60. Right, so the one in question, though, is always the one near the center of the circle. If you were to draw a circle around it like this, right, so this acute angle here, that's like sort of in line with this, or horizontally in line with the 90. So we're looking at this angle, and that's the angle that it's asking you for. Look, tangent inverse, what is the angle that gives you tangent equals square root 3 over 3? It's this one. Opposite over adjacent here is 1 over square root 3. So the angle here is tangent theta of square root 3 over 3. This is equal to our angle, 30 degrees.
Yeah.
Right? Or pi over 6.
Yeah.
Right? We know pi over 6 is 30 degrees.
Yeah, it's correct. I have to have the unit circle, and that's the correct.
Is there another location where this would be true? This is a tangent of a positive value. Where else is tangent positive?
Tangent.
Like you look at this unit circle here. Where else tangent positive?
Quadrant 3.
Quadrant 3. So we're going to get the exact same angle, but in quadrant 3. So if we look at it like this, it's over here. But what angle is that then?
That angle is...
It's like 180.
Plus 30. So that's 210?
210 degrees. Or we can call it pi plus pi over 6.
Which is 7 pi over 6.
7 pi over 6, right. So we have two answers for this thing. We're now going to say it's this value, and it's also 210 degrees, or 7 pi over 6.
Give your child the added advantage of individualized, one-to-one instruction from a qualified tutor. Stop the struggle. Help your child to succeed as a student. Call today, 818-557-7379. SuccessTutoringOnline.com